name is Mark Greenwood. I am the patent holder on the Gorilla Mill product. Gorilla Mill has been around now for 12 years. We manufacture all different flute configurations in a solid carbide end mill. Our geometries are very special to the industry. We have taken all the harmonics that you possibly can take out of a solid carbide tool. There's not anything you can do more to take out the harmonics on a carbide end mill. We've been very blessed with what we're doing in the industry right now. We're bringing a product that educates the end user on very high efficiency manufacturing.
Good afternoon, my name is Chris Finanek. I'm the Senior Director of Metal Fabrication for the U.S. This week we're here at Houstex. Today in our booth we're talking about our Advantage wire, our flux and metal cord wire, which has several pros for the metal fabricator in the field. We also have a lot of fume extraction equipment. We've got portable fume extraction. We've got a new TEC, which is our tip extraction unit out, which actually removes the smoke at the source at the MIG gun. And then we've got our very popular CNC cutting line. We're featuring that small machine today, and we have a full line of products. Praxair is a gas and welding company. We're showing some of our gases off today, some of our Stargon AL, which is an aluminum welding, also our Stargon VS, which also looks at mild steel welding.
Hi, I'm Kenon. I'm the Product and Service Engineer for Chevalier Machinery, and I'm here to show you the EM2040L. As you can see here, the EM2040 has a Fanuc OIMF control. It comes standard with a manual pulse generator and an air gun. The EM2040L has a 20 horsepower motor, 10,000 RPM. It has a 24 tool ATC. It comes standard with a chip auger that goes in the X direction on the front of the machine. It has a nice spindle curtain to make sure your part stays cool. Right now at the show we have a optional 4th axis rotary table and an optional Renishaw tool presetter with the optional spindle choke.
I'm Tom Dustman, the International Sales Director for Sunnen Products Company based in St. Louis, Missouri. We're here at Houstex 2019 and we're exhibiting our latest horizontal and vertical bore finishing technology. We are introducing our small bore technology with our model HTE 1600 machine, and we also have our recently introduced SV30 model vertical machine. In addition to our honing machines, tools, and abrasives, we also are exhibiting our line of BTA Heller deep hole drilling inserts, tools, as well as skive and roller burnishing tools as well. We believe that these products will serve the oil and gas market as well as the industrial market around the Texas area, and we feel as though the show will be a benefit to us the remainder of 2019.
I'm Brent Holden with Haimer USA. I'm the president of Haimer North America. We've had a great show so far. A lot of good customers coming by, look at the technology. We've been really focusing on a lot of the new technology that we can offer that really helps manage the entire tool room, the entire process of setting up tools. But specifically for the market, one of the things that's been of high interest here is some of the technology we have on the shrink fit side of things. We've got what's called the heavy duty shrink fit chucks. And those are something that allows you to take very aggressive cutting, which is big for this market, in combination with our Safe Lock. Safe Lock's an anti-pull-out feature that we integrate to the back of the chuck to allow you to really confidently machine heavy without any fear of tool pull-out. Along the same lines, we've got some cutting tool technologies. One is our modular system called the Dual Lock. With the Dual Lock, we have a ER collet where you can actually thread on the Dual Lock modular cutting tool connection to the ER collet, and it makes it a very effective way to control runout, to control the overall length of the assembly, so you don't have to re-preset after changing the cutting head. So it's been pretty exciting and very well received so far at the show.
Hello, my name is Peter Rötzner. I'm the CEO of EMAG for North America, and we are showing today at the show some of our technologies that are relevant for this market. Our machines are designed in order to have a specific feature, which is the inverted spindle. The inverted spindle allows you to machine parts with a much better chip control. The design of the machine is in a way that you have a headstock that travels outside of the machining area, picks up the part at the load conveyor, brings it inside and machines it pretty much upside down with the required tool. That allows you pretty much self-loading features. You don't really need an operator to run these machines, and the chip flow is significantly better because the chips are falling down in the chip trough and not get built up in your chucking system.